Hi, welcome back viewers. This is Sagar Juvaji classes. So prepared the today class biological classifications. So the different biologists they propose the kingdoms of living organisms like two kingdom. First proposed Linnaeus in 1735 and Charton is discovered 1925. He named proposed two empire Prokaryota and Eukaryota. The Charton proposed and Linnaeus proposed Vegetabilia and Animalia. And coming to three kingdoms, so the three kingdom Ernest Haeckel in 1866 he proposed the Protista, Plantae and Animalia, and Carl Woese et al. In 1990 Bacteria, Archaea. And coming to 4K kingdom, that means Copeland in 1938. So he named proposed the Monera, Protocotista, Plantae and Animalia. And 5K kingdom, so the R.H. Whittaker proposed 1969. So these are Monera, Protista, Plantae, Fungi, Animalia. And coming to 6th kingdom, Cavalier Smith in 1998 Bacteria, Protista, Chromista and Plantae, Fungi and Animalia. So these are 6 kingdoms. So till the dates from different biologists proposed the biological classification. So the R.H. Whittaker proposed the 5 kingdoms, that is Monera, Protista, Plantae, Fungi, Animalia. So what is the Monera? So the Monera is one of the kingdom. Monera kingdom is a unicellular organisms. So unicellular organisms, and so they are survive tolerant of summer, that means the hot areas, and coming to cold areas, and coming to the salinity concentration in the sea water. So like we are called thermophiles and in the living of salinity of water, it is called halophils, thermophils which lives in the tolerate on the temperature, thermophils and halophils. The Monera classifies 3 divisions. First one Archaebacteria, Eubacteria and Cyanobacteria. First one is Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, and coming to Cyanobacteria. So these are the best example of Monera divisions. So the Archaebacteria, which are called Archaebacteria, so it is the oldest bacteria, that name is Archaebacteria. And Eubacteria, now we are called Streptococcus rhizobium, best example. And Cyanoalgae or blue green bacteria we said, okay. And coming to Protista is one of the best example of like amoeba, Euglena, Paramecium, best example. So the Protista example, it is a unicellular organism, and the nutrition is holozoic nutrition. So the food is holozoic nutrition, and these are the Eubacteria, that means bacteria, that means eukaryotic cells. The living organisms, like they are multicellular organisms, and eukaryotic cells present here, and strong rigid cell wall present here, the cell wall present in the Plantae. So these are the 3 classified: Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. Isn't clear? So the plant is classified 3 divisions like Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. Sinclair. So these are the plant-based classifications. And coming to fungi, the fungi is a heterotrophic organism. So these are the heterotrophic organisms. Heterotrophic organism. It is also called saprophytes. We are called saprophytes. So we are called saprophytes. The fungus nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. The saprophytes we are commonly called. The fungi is unicellular organisms. So these are unicellular organisms, but unlike the Agaricus, Mucor, Rhizopus. So these are the best example of fungi. And coming to Animalia. So the Animalia is a eukaryotic cells, and the multicellular organisms. And the Animalia, which are leaving the several different organisms, based on the notochord present here. So notochord, if notochord is present there, notochordates, and they based on the two types, invertebrates. So the based on the vertebrata or notochord vertebrata present, their organisms they called. If vertebrate is absent, they are called invertebrates. If notochord is present there, they are called chordates. So the invertebrates best example: Protozoa, Polyphera, Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Nematohelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, and Hemichordata. These are the invertebrates. And coming to vertebrates: Protochordata, Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and coming to vertebrata. So the vertebrata, the subclasses like amphibia, fishes, reptiles, aves, mammals. So these are the best examples of Animalia classification. So this is the biological classification. I would like to mention the easily we learn 2K Linnaeus, Charton, 3K Haeckel and Woose, and 4K Copeland, isn't clear? 5K is Whittaker, and 6K is Kvelius. And as well as the Carolus von Linnaeus discovered they proposed the 7 obligate categories like a kingdom, phylum, order, class, family, genus, species. So these are 7 categories are. That means K, P, C, O, F, G, S. We said K means kingdom, P means phylum, C means class, O means order, F means family, G for genus, S for species. So the 7 obligatory general characters in the name given the organisms. The 2K Linnaeus, kingdom Linnaeus, they proposed in 1738. So isn't clear? So I would like to introduce the biological classification. Okay. So ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ముందుగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.